Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Tea. Hope all are you doing well. So today I am going to show you how to upload a Laravel project in a domain or subdomain. So without any further ado, let's start the process. So first of all, we have to create a subdomain. In my case, I am going to upload the project in subdomain. That's why I am creating a subdomain. If you will upload the file in main domain, then you have to upload it in public underscore HTML file, which is under the file manager. So let's create the subdomain. For creating the subdomain, we have to just give the subdomain name and choose the domain because we have to create the subdomain under a domain. So after the selection, it create a root folder for you. That's all. Let's create the subdomain. So the domain has been created, and if we check the domain, we can see that the domain is not active right now. Don't worry, it takes almost 8 to 24 hours to active the domain. So in this time, we can upload the file in the root folder. So let's go to file manager, and then we can see the folder which is named of our subdomain, and we don't need those folder. So let's upload the project. We just change the root of the domain because we don't want to change anything in the Laravel project. So our project is uploaded. Now we have to extract the folder. So it's done. After extract the folder, we can delete the zip one, and now we have to move file on root level, and then we can delete the portfolio folder. Yes, this one. So now we will change this document root because we don't want to change anything in our Laravel project. We want that structure. So if we change something in the future, then it will fetch from Git or something else if we connected the FTP server and all. Okay, now we have to create database for this project. So enter the database name. Then create a user and generate a password. For now, I keep this password. Select the right database and add user to database, and select all privileges. It will include all the options and make changes. Yes, it's done. So now go to the landing page and scroll down, click on PHP My Admin. and the database has been created. So let's go to file manager, and now we have to configure the env file for in the project. So it has been long time, almost 10 hours. Let's check the domain. Let's check the domain, and yes, it's working fine. So this is the process of uploading a Laravel project in cPanel. So if you like the video, please do like, comment and share with your community. Till then, goodbye.